Welcome to ChopChopChef. Today, as we are approaching very soon our festive season, I thought I'd put another Christmas cookie on our repertoire. And 4 weeks out before the festive season comes up on us, you will have plenty to choose from on our ChopChop channel on Christmas cookies. Yeah? Today, I do with you a very fun cookie. I call it Christmas cutter butter cookie. Now you have children at home, they're eager in baking and getting their hands a little bit dirty. That's today what you engage them in. Yeah. Why it says Christmas cutter butter cooking? Yes, come over here and I show you my little sort of arsenal of Christmas cutters. Now I only have to find obviously the opening of my little thing here. Yeah, here it is. Now let's see what this ring unveils. Oh, we have a little bit of heart. Okay. Then we have a half moon. Oh yeah. Then we have, what else we're having here? Let me have a look. Okay. We got all sorts of things. We have a big, obviously, Christmas tree. Right, and you can buy these cutters in any shop. Here we go. We have a little bit of mushroom. It's nice too. Yes, we have even an angel coming eventually. Right, and plenty more different heart shape. Yeah, look, a small version of a Christmas tree. Why not? Yeah. And so on. There's plenty more, yeah, which we use a little bit later on. But of course, first we have to make our dough. Now to that's what the fun part is, okay? Make sure everybody washes their hands. Clean bench, absolutely vital. Flour, so difficult. We put it all on the bench. Easy done, okay? Now we make a little bit sort of a ring, a mold here. Okay. Then, before we continue, we have to make sure we separate our eggs. The egg white from the egg yolk. Again, if you have children, the best version to do this one, you let them glide through their fingers, right? Put them on your fingertips. Yeah, spread them a little bit open. Swoop, swoop, swoop. Here we go. Egg yolk number 1. Okay. Let's do that. For my recipe today, we only use 3 egg yolk. And that. Okay. Okay, we got that one sorted. Okay, now we're putting our very soft butter in here as well, in the middle. Okay. Butter's expensive. We have to make sure we get everything in here, right? Okay, we got that sorted. Then we're having our normal white sugar, goes all in here as well. Then we're having vanilla sugar, putting here as well. Then we take a washed lemon, right? And probably put half of lemon zest in here. Got that one done. Put that on the side. Make sure nothing stuck too much underneath my microplate. Then just a very tiny pinch of salt. Now we start. We start working everything together, right? Keep your egg yolks here for the time being. They're going in there shortly. Okay, really, yeah, working the butter with the flour. Okay, little by little. Okay, let's put one egg yolk in here. Okay. Okay, getting there. Yeah, very good, very good. Next, let's put these 2 egg yolks in here. Okay, got it sorted. That's a butter dough. This dough, when everything is nicely worked together, then we're putting this in the refrigerator for half an hour. Okay, but make sure we put now everything nicely in here, right? Everything has to get nicely mixed together. When your butter is very soft, this should go very easy. See, not much flour left. Put it all nicely in here. Yeah, a little bit more, and we are done for the first part, right? Looked a little bit messy in the beginning, right? But when we are finished, we should have a clean bench. If you have a look, sort of that's now our beautiful dough, right, which we worked nicely. You don't want to overwork it, don't be silly on it. But now what we're doing is, we're taking this one and I put a little bit glad wrap over it. That one here. Here we go. Zack, zack, zack. So this one we put in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and then together we continue. All right, here we go. This dough I had now in the refrigerator for a good half an hour. If you can leave it for an hour, that is fine as well. What I do is I only take half of this batch, put it on my bench, and the other half I continue, put it back in the fridge so it cools nicely through. Now, of course, with this one here, we need to dust our bench a little bit. Yeah? The children will like this as well, you know, spray the flour all over the place. One, then I have a rolling pin, as this one as well, a little bit sort of, you know, covered in flour. And now we just roll out this dough. So easy, right? More or less to around, say, 5 millimeter thickness. Yeah. Here we don't have to be that accurate in terms of round, square, whatever, because we will take then our cutters, right? And cutting all our beautiful shapes what we want. Okay, do we have 5 millimeter? Yeah, I think that's looking good, it's looking good. Yeah, all right, so first thing done. Now when we're using our cutters, the star cutter, I always as well have a bowl here and just put it in flour, obviously, and then, very easy, cut and go and done, right? So this is one. Let's make a few, eh? We take our half moon, different shape. Obviously, when you cut, make sure you don't cut the next one here. Utilize your space, you know. You don't want to have too much waste. Yeah, okay, that. Zack, half moon done, half moon done. What else? Okay, shooting star. Again, zack, zack, zack. So easy. Okay. Okay. All right. Now what we're doing here is I will continue a little bit. We're putting them obviously on a oven tray with silicone paper or this mat what I have here. And then what we're doing next. Let's bring this board a little bit over here. So what I do next is okay, so I cut a few more. Now when you have this one all cut, this sort of leftover scraps, yeah, we're working back together, yeah, working back together again, make it a nice one lump. We put it back in the refrigerator, and we let it cool down, and we use this one later on again, okay? But now with this one, what I have on my tray here, I have a nice egg wash, right? We're taking a brush, and then very, very, very gentle, we brushing those cutouts, yeah, just tip it a little bit, you know, very, very fine, like that. Yeah, our angel, beautiful, yeah. So that's what we do, that's what I will do. And what I do next is, if you want to, you know, with your children, they can put some, what do you call these things, hundreds and thousands, right, on here, if you like, okay. And this, and I finish this one off. This one going in the oven, 190 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes until they're nice golden brown. All right, I will show you. All right, our Christmas cutter butter cookies, they are now in the oven, very close to 12 minutes by 190 degrees, right? And I'm not sure if you can see it, they get nice color already from the egg wash what we're putting on top, right? And we stopping now the timer. Okay, it's 20 seconds to go, but I'm pretty sure they're looking ready to me. Oh yes, they're looking so fantastic. Like we did a good job, I would say, right? Okay, what are we doing next? Okay, we bring them quickly over here, take them. Look at that beautiful Christmas cutter butter cookies, right? Okay, we're having our mushroom. Now what I do now is, obviously, I take them kind of, you can leave it say 1 or 2 minutes on the tray, but then I take it off the tray to really cool completely down. Yeah, you see that they haven't lost any shape, the angel is nice, the Christmas tree is nice, whatever cutter you choose to use for your cutouts, they will not spread out. You can put them nicely close and tied it together. Right? Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, when you just, here we go. They're nice golden brown on the base as well, right? So that's what you want. So they are. You want to make sure they're cooked, right? But if you have them the thickness like 5 millimeter, as I mentioned, right, then this 12 minutes on 190 degrees will do the trick. Yeah. Okay, so I will do that one. Ladies and gentlemen, for you and my little Santa Claus here, yeah, Christmas cutter cookies, yeah, for the festive season, for your children and yourself, to have a little bit of fun day in the pastry kitchen or in your kitchen at home. All right, thank you very much for joining me on ChopChopChef. Till next time.